this video, I wanted to share with you how you can use Trello to organize your cleaning schedule and your cleaning checklist. Hi guys, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life, where I help busy mamas like you get organized and design a life that you love. So we have been covering all these different topics about cleaning lately, and it's because I have a bonus surprise for you that's coming up next week. So make sure that you are subscribed so you can be the first to know when this special announcement comes out. If you've been following along, we've been talking about cleaning schedules, getting organized for cleaning itself, how to get into the cleaning mindset, and today we're going to talk about how to organize your cleaning checklist if you are a digital person. I am a person that likes to have my checklist digital and on paper. Like, I love paper planners. There's something about having it digitally that just makes it easier for you to keep track and stay on top of your checklist. So let's jump over onto the computer where I can show you how I organize my cleaning checklist with Trello.
So here is my Trello board, and to get to boards you can click on Trello up top here, and that'll take you to all your boards that you have. And I have one that's called My Cleaning Checklist. And to create a new board, if you have nothing, let me go back. If you don't have any boards yet, what you want to do is click on this plus button, and then you can click Create Board. What's awesome about this is you have lists, cards, and then within the card you can create checklists. So for mine, you know how I've talked about my daily resets, and I will link that video for you in the description box or as a card right now, so you can check out some of my morning resets. So you can check out how I do my morning resets, but basically it's what a reset is just to reset the space in your home, so then that way when you come back into it, it's nice and fresh and clean for you, so you don't always have to walk back into a messy space. And so for my dailies, like for an example, I have bedrooms, and my bedrooms are highlighted in purple, my bathrooms are highlighted in yellow, I have kitchen resets and laundry as an extra. And so for my bedrooms, they all have the same checklist, but I separated them out so I can check each card for each room. To add a checklist, all you have to do is come over here and click checklist, and then you can edit the name, but I just kept it as bedroom checklist. And what I want to do to reset my room or our bedrooms is to make the bed, put any unworn clothes away, straighten up my nightstand, and open the blinds to let some light in. I mean, they're very simple tasks, but it's easier to keep track this way. And then once I am done, then I can just click it, and then I get 100% and I get a green bar here. And so when I come back to my main board, then it'll say that 4 out of 4 is done. And if you only get to 2, then it'll tell you that only 2 out of 4 is done. You don't get the green bar. So then in the next few columns, I have Monday through Saturday. And why I have it this way is so when I'm coming here to my task list, this is a master list of all the cleaning tasks that need to be done in each room. So that way, when I'm in that space, I can look through the checklist and check everything off very quickly as I'm going along. The best part about this is because I have this master list with all the tasks, all I have to do is, let's say I want to schedule cleaning one of our bedrooms. I will come here, click the pen or pencil, I'm not sure what it is, and I will click copy, and this will copy that card, and then I can click if I want to clean that on Monday, then I click create card. And what it does is it copies everything that was in here onto Monday. And let's say I can't do it on Monday, I don't have enough time, I can easily move it to whatever day of the week I want to squeeze it in. And I love how you can add little pictures here, add a little bit extra to it, so it's not just lists and lists and lists, but there's actually pictures. And then, so when you scroll down to the bottom here, then all the tasks that need to be done are down here. And again, you can check things off whenever you are done. I have a kitchen, a dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and entry and hallway tasks all listed in there. And I've also set up Butler for Trello. So the coolest thing about that is after every day, like most of these tasks will be checked or unchecked, and then the next day, first thing in the morning, Butler will reset all my checklists, so that way I don't have to worry about going in and having to copy the card and remove all the checklists and do all that stuff. It just resets it for me and it's ready to go in the morning. And that is the perk of technology, right? Is to be able to have some automation, be able to copy and paste and move things around easily, and that makes it more convenient than on paper.
So if you have never used Trello before, I hope this video helped you get a little bit of insight on how you can use it for your cleaning checklist. And the best part of this is that it resets for me on a daily basis. If you'd like to know how I did that, just like this video and leave a comment below, and I will make a video showing you how I actually got it to do that, because it did take me a while to learn. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one.